Hello children, today we are solving the test paper 2 of R.S. Agrawal, class 6. Okay, question number first. Test the divisible of this number by 11. How can we test? What is the method? First of all, we write the number. Test divisible of 5, 8, 6, 9, 4, 7, 3 by 11. First we add the digits by the even places and the odd places. Okay, if this is the even place, this is also another even place, 2, then 4, then 6. Okay, we add these digits, 7 plus 9 plus 8. Okay, what is the result? 24 is the answer. Then we add these even odd places, means 1, 3, 5 and 7. This is not digit, these are the place where they lie. Okay, these are the numbers, and we will add this is the 18. Okay, then we find the difference. Difference means 24 minus 18. What will be the answer? It is a 6. That means in the divisible of 11 test, if their difference is a multiple of 11, for example 11, 22, 33, like this, odd 0, then this number is divisible by 11. But there is a 6, that means this number is not divisible by 11. Okay, so now we write here, it is not divisible by 11. Question number 2. Question number 2 is the test of divisibility of this number by 8. What is the rule of the divisibility test of 8? That is, the number is 6, 7, 5, 2, 9, 1, 2, 4. Check the divisible by 8. First of all, we recall the rule. Rule is the last 3 digits of any number, if divided by 8, then that number will be divisible by 8. So we check it. Last 3 digits equals to 1, 2 and 4. Okay, now we divide it. 1, 2, 4 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 equals to 4. We can write on the 4. 8 5s are 40. What is the remainder? Here is a remainder. That means this number is not divided by 8. So it is proved this number is not divisible by 8. Understand? Question number 3. What is the question number 3? On dividing 5035 by 31, means this is a dividend and this is a quotient. Remainder will be 13. To find the quotient, it is a divisor, we find the quotient. Okay, now we write here dividend. What is the dividend? Dividend is 5035. Okay, and divisor is 31 and remainder equals to 13. We find the quotient. Okay, what is the quotient? Like this, 5035 divided by 31, yes, 31, and after dividing remainder is 13. We find this quotient. Okay, now how can we find? First of all, we write the formula. Dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, the dividend, what is the dividend? 5035 is the dividend. We don't have quotient, we find it. Multiply by 31 is the divisor, and plus 13, that is the remainder. Okay, then 5035 equals to, this is here addition. When he came here, it is a subtraction. Okay, when we cross the this quotient, cross the equals to sign, then it will be, when 13 came to this side of the equals to, then it converted into a minus sign, and then we minused 13 from this number. It will be the 5022, and there is another number, that is 31. When here is, it is multiply sign and it is multiplied by the quotient, but when it crossed the equals to sign and came here, it is turned into divided sign. Okay, here it is divide this number. Okay, when we divide the 5022 by the 31, what will the answer? 5022 divided by 31. 31 ones are 31. We minus the 31 from 50. Then what will the answer? 9, 5, 4. Here is 4. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Again we put down the 2. 31 6 186. Then minus from this number, this will be 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here is 8. 8 is 0 and 1. 1 1 0. Then we put down the 2 again, and 31 2s are 62. This is totally divided by the 162 number. That means ki our quotient is the 162 is the quotient of this question. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, the SCF of two number is 15. Okay, the SCF of two number is 15, and their product of two number is 1650. Find their LCM. Okay, first of all we write here the product of two numbers, that is 1650, and there is a find LCM, but they are given a SCF. SCF of two numbers is 15. Okay, you find LCM. So what is the formula of the finding LCM? Product of two numbers divided by SCF. Both the value are given here, so we put them. LCM equals to product of two number is 1650 divided by 15. Okay, you divide here in rough corner. 1650 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. We put again 5 here. Again 15 ones are 15. It is a long division. Okay, 0. Again 15 zeros are 0. That means what will the answer? Answer is the 100. When we divide it, that is the 110 is the answer. That means our answer is LCM equals to 110. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is find the least 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 20, 25 and 30. In such kind of question, we firstly find out the LCM of this number. Okay. We write here least number of how many digits? 5 digits. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is the number. Now we find the LCM. Now we find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Okay. We find here LCM 20, 25 and 30. These all the numbers are divisible of 5 and 5 is a prime number, so we divide with 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. These are two even numbers and divisible of 2. That's 2 is a prime number, so we divide here with 2. 2 2s are 4, 5 remains same and 2 3s are 6. All are prime number. No need to divide further. Okay, we add them. Multiply them. Find LCM. 5 into 2 into 2, this one, into this 5, again this 3. Okay. So what is answer? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100, or 100 3s are 300 is the LCM. Now we divide. Divisibly check. Then we divide 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number, with this LCM. Which one we find? Okay. 3 3s are 900. Okay. We put here 20. So we put here 20. Then minus it. 0 0 0 0 again 9. 10 minus 9 equals to 1. Again we put here 0. Again same question. 3 3s are 900. Again minus. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 100. Now next part, next phase is we subtract remainder from LCM and add your answer to that number. Okay. So after subtraction, what is the answer? Answer is a 200. Now we 200 add in that number, that 5 digit smallest number. This is the 5 digit smallest number, and what is our answer after subtracting? That is a 200. Then we add it. So what is the answer? 10200. Answer is this. Okay. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? Find the largest number. Find the largest number which divide 630 and 940, but leaving the remainders 6 and 4. In such kind of questions, when we find any number and their remainders are given, then first of all we minus from their remainders. Okay. What is the first number? Number is 630 and 490. Okay. Now we new number after subtracting their remainders. The 360 is the first number and their remainder, remainder mentioned here 6. So we minus 360 minus 6. 10 6 minus 4, and here is a 2. Put 2 and 6. Okay, new number is a 624. Another number 940. 940 is remainder is 4. Now we minus from here. What is that? 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here is 3 and 9. 936 is a new number after subtracting their remainders. Okay, now find the SCF. What is the rule of the SCF? The big number is inside, the big number is dividend and the smaller one is divisor. Now divide it. 936 divided 624. Okay, when we multiply it 624 by 2, it will exceed in this number, so we here multiply by the 624. Once a 624. Now minus it. 6 minus 4 is 2. Here is 3 1 and 9 minus 6 is 3. New number is the 612. In the rule of SCF, finding SCF by division method, the remainder is the divisor and the old divisor is the dividend, become dividend in this rule. Okay, again we multiply 312. Means we can multiply by 2 because it is a 600 is the multiple by 2 maybe. So it is a 600 is the multiple by 2 maybe. So we find here 2 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3 are 6. Exact number is divisible by 2. So what will the answer? SCF is 306. So SCF equals to 312. That is our answer. Okay. Next question. This question is also very easy. What is the question? Find the least number which was divided 16, 36, 40, leaves 5 as a remainder in each case. Means ki 5 is a remainder in each case. We solve this question like this. First of all, we find the LCM. LCM of these numbers 16, 36, 40. Okay. Now we find here 16, 36 and 40. These are is divided by 2. Okay. So we divide here 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 0. Again 2 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Sorry. 2 10s are 20. Yes. Again 2. 2 2s are 4. 9 is not divisible by 2. So we same. And 2 5s are 10. Again by 3. 2 is a prime number. We put same. And 3 3s are 9 and 5 same. All are divided by, all are the prime numbers, so it is not further divided. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2, these are into 2 into 3. Now these are 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now multiply that. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 24, 48 and 210 and 720 is the answer. Okay. Now another is a mention here, leaves the remainder 5 in each case. Okay. The last we add 220 plus 5. Okay, the number is very easy. What is the question? Find the least number which was divided 16, 36, 40, leaves 5 as a remainder in each case. Means ki 5 is a remainder in each case. We solve this question like this. First of all, we find the LCM. LCM of these numbers 16, 36, 40. Okay. Now we find here 16, 36 and 40. These are is divided by 2. Okay. So we divide here 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 0. Again 2 is divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, sorry, 2 10s are 20, yes. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 9 is not divisible by 2, so we same, and 2 5s are 10. Again by 3, 2 is a prime number, we put same, and 3 3s are 9, and 5 same. All are divided by, all are the prime numbers, so it is not further divided. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2, these are into 2 into 3, now these are 2 into 3 into 5, okay. Now multiply that. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 24, 48, and 210, and 720 is the answer, okay. Now another is a mention here, leaves the remainder 5 in each case, okay. The last we add 220 plus 5, okay, the number is 725. If we check our answer is right or wrong, you can divide the 720 by any number of these number, it is divisible. That means our answer is right, okay. Next question. Question number 8. Prime numbers between 50 to 100. We should know the which numbers are prime number. Prime numbers are prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by itself and 1. Okay, the 53 is a first prime number between 50 and 100, 54, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Less than 100, okay. Less than 100. Next question is question number 9. Less than 100. Less than 100, the consecutive 7 composite number which having no prime number in between them. Okay, the first is a composite number 90. 90 comes in another tables also, for example in 5's table, 10's table, okay, 2's table. That means it's a composite number. The 90, 91 is also a composite number. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. It's a consecutive number, means a serial wise number without any gapping. It is consecutive 7 numbers which are less than 100 is only the set of 7 numbers which are consecutive serial wise. Okay. Okay. Question number 10. Question number 10 is justify your answer if can two numbers have 12 as their SCF and 512 is their LCM. Can it is possible? So we find it. What is the rule of this finding this? In this way we divide these numbers. If it is divisible with both of, then it is okay. SCF is 12, LCM is 512. Which is the bigger is this. So we divide as 512 is divided by 12. 12 4s are 48 minus the 51 from 48. 48 from 51, the 11 minus 8 is 2, and 4. 11 minus 8 minus equals to 3, and there is a 0 0, and we put down the 2 here, and 12 2s are 24. Okay, 12 3s are 36. It is bigger than the 32. That's why we write here 24. The minus there is a 8 is a remainder. That means it is not divisible by 12 totally. That is not possible. There is no these are no numbers of having the SCF 12 and the LCM is the 512. Okay,